back a hold of me this morning. He's supposed to be coming down, like I said, traveling that gap between his house and my house. He lives a buck away, that's all. Just 30 minutes or so. We'd rather be drinking a beer sometimes too. I'm sure you've all been there where you start a big project, you're about 10 minutes into it, you see the end, but it's just not coming fast enough. So you grab a beer, go play in the pool for the day. Maybe your family shows up. Maybe your family's always texting you and interrupting you. Maybe you're those people and you can relate to that about us because like everybody else. And so we're going to hope that people come, people want to watch us, people want to see our projects. We're proud of them, and this is a good way to show them off too after you build something. There ain't nothing like showing your friends and playing with your friends and testing this stuff off-road, on track. You know, we've got a wider range of things we like to do. We like the 4x4, we like to race on a drag strip, make a team someday. Sky's the limit for us. If you guys stay tuned, we could really, the Unprofessionals could really kind of blow your guys' mind. Okay, see ya.
All right, everybody, hello and welcome. We are the Unprofessionals. My name is Junior and this is my brother JD. We're really just your backyard gearheads, and we have project after project laid out. So I suppose what we're gonna do is share that content with you guys and get started on the breakdown of it all.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's take you over here to one of the projects that will eventually be started. Of course, it's not priority. We want to go ahead and work on our dailies first, and that kind of makes some sense. Here is we're gonna call this Blue Dragon, Project Blue Dragon, I think. You know, just a quick rundown because we got quite a few projects we want to cover today, but quick rundown is basically not running, ate its own cam. It was a bad batch. I'll go ahead and get that fixed. We'll have that running. You know, the cab mounts are kind of gone on it. You can see some rust coming through. I've got quite a few parts, and we'll make a whole video of running through what I have sitting over in the corner parts and where we can go. But I think honestly this project is going to teach me to weld. It's going to teach me to do body and stuff like that. It is a fleet side 77 with a 350 4-inch lift and stuff, but of course it's going to be bigger. It's going to be a nice project. You know, dogs are playing. You guys gotta love the dogs, right? Everyone has animals.
It's not a rat, it is a dog.
It is a dog, not a rat. I'm gonna hand the camera off here to Junior. Inside our shop here, I have another hidden project. This is my daily, one of my dailies. I'm lucky to have two of them. I have a winter and a summer one. This is gonna be Project Family Muscle. It is you know, it's the attempt of a family muscle car is really what it is. It's a 4-door, it's a Charger, it's an 07 as well. It was well taken care of before I got a hold of it. It's got low miles on it, and it's a pretty nice car. It's kind of loaded for its year and stuff, and currently it's in the shop because what we're gonna do is full front end on it. Got some clunking going on under there. It's really common on these vehicles. 300s, the same platform. So we're gonna go ahead and redo the bushings and the whole front end on it, I think. In long term, with this project, it'd be nice to, of course, get it to a drag strip, get some engine mods done on it and stuff. Some tire change out on it, get a little bit more traction on it. It pretty much just floats under, you know, under 30 miles an hour. When it shifts down, it can just float. So I want to fix that up. I don't want to burn through tires. I want it to be a fun project. Other than that, this is the kind of shop where we're going to be doing quite a bit of our work out of. Got tools, some professional, some not. Other than that,
Totally unprofessional.
Yeah. Yes, used by unprofessionals. I think we're going to go ahead and jump in the Jeep, run over.
Go over the other property.
Look at a senior's property where Junior's got some projects sitting over there. We'll hook back up with you in the Jeep. All right? Careful not to crush the other car back there.
Run it over.
No, insurance claim. Insurance fraud. I knew I was doing it before I did it. Right now, we're in Jeep Grand Cherokee 07. It's another project. It's my 4-wheel drive, so generally I'm in it and I'm running around wintertime where we live. Snow falls, ice is a thing. And this does a little bit better than the Charger, if you can imagine. Trying to get around. We're gonna head over to Senior's property, an extreme unprofessional, and he taught us. He's got a nice shop over there. We're still worried about getting that hoist in, and that's gonna be done this Thanksgiving when he's off.
That's for sure.
Yeah, it's actually gonna get done. We've been putting it off for a year or so. We're really busy, just like our audience.
I think that's an important thing to state too. Is I really like the idea behind all this is just to show it's your everyday mechanic. You know, we're nobody special. We're not machinists. We're not welders.
Well,
you know.
I think Dad, you know, senior, I think
he's put in years.
He's got some stuff under his belt he'll be teaching us, but you definitely haven't successfully built from the ground up some roll caged buggy, okay? And are we capable of it? Yeah, when we put our mind to it, it's gonna happen. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get the dailies running. We're gonna get our closest loved projects we're packing around out on the road, and then if you stick with us long term, things can get a little crazy because we
definitely have the projects.
We definitely we also like to not necessarily just go out to chimp to break something, but we like to build our things and we like to use them. We're car enthusiasts.
You're gonna find a lot of variety from us. We know every vehicle has its options, every vehicle has its downfalls. We like to use them all. Everything's fun.
We play on the street. Hopefully the drag strip could be a long-term good thing. We're not too far from a reliable one, and we do have a couple options to play. We do our 4x4s. We have a good set of spring and fall locations to wheel. Good options for flex. Good options for flat land. We like to play in the snow, like most people.
In the Northwest.
In the Northwest, it's not as rough on vehicles either when you play in the snow, and you can tread lightly, and you don't have to worry about tearing up the place you hunt in, place you live in, your outdoors. That's kind of why we like sticking to the snow. So we just pulled in here. I'm gonna go ahead and hop over to the Toggle Dong. We'll have a look around at some of Senior stuff. Again, he's out working, and he's home maybe once or twice a month on the weekends. But long term, hopefully, he can dive deep into this with us. See you there.
All right, we're here at the other property right now at Seniors, actually. We're gonna go to the back and we're gonna go through some of the projects we have laid out back there. Then I guess we'll come back up here and kind of show off the shop a little.
Yeah.
Something like that. All right, so let's head back that way.
In conclusion, children. In conclusion, children.
All right, you
But
guys
anyway, I
fix
showed
that.
you how to do it.
Okay, yep. Not the way you were flattening the
supposed to be
the,
watching.